we are going to see how to customize our user interface and for better work and user-friendly environment, which increase your productivity. So this is your graphics area, this is your command manager. The first thing we are going to customize or lock our command manager. This is our command manager and this is the tab. If you want to press and hold, see, it's going to move in 3 directions, our command manager. See, if you press here, it will look here. Again, click, hold, left mouse and drag. If you put here, see, it's locked here. In the same way, you can press here and it will lock here. So these are the movable. So you must lock the command manager. So right click here on this command manager, customize, and you will find one option here, lock command manager and toolbar. Just click OK. Now see, if I'm going to drag, it is not going to drag. So this is the first thing you can customize in your interface. Now the second thing, add-in. You see here in many tabs, if you want to add or remove any tabs, right click on command manager tab. Here you will find tabs. You want to add anything, see, it's added surface. If you want to remove tab, unchecked and it is removed from here. But there are many things already add in your system like SolidWorks Cam, SolidWorks Cam TV. This is in most cases we don't need this one. So if you want to select from the tab or command manager, simply drop down the menu option. Here you will find add-in. Now come down, you will find your SolidWorks add-ins. Here see SolidWorks Cam. Just uncheck this box, click OK. Now you will see SolidWorks Cam and Cam TBM will be finished, disappear. See, so this is the use of add-ins. Okay. The next thing we are going to see icon size. Right click, customize. Now you can change our user interface icon. If you want a smaller one, okay. See, it's small. It's very small. It's difficult to see. So better to keep in mid. And even though if you want to make bigger one, see, if you click OK, see, the icons will be big and it is good for us. Many expert users, if you want to save your graphics area, you want to increase graphics area, use large button with text, uncheck. See, you will not be able to see any text on the icons. So it increase your graphics area and you will get a big graphics area. But I don't recommend for new users because text we need for identification. So check. And I'd always keep icon medium. Okay, that's it. Now let's come to shortcut bar. So first we will edit and then we will see. Right click on the command manager, customize, shortcut bar. Now here, this is your shortcut bar. See, we have 4 types of shortcut bar: parts, assembly, drawing, sketch. Let's start with part or feature shortcut. If you search here in toolbar, features. Now if you want to add or remove anything, just click and remove. See, you will see a cross section red color icon. It's removed. If you want to add anything from here, let's say I'll add lifted boss base, just drag and place somewhere. You will see the key, it is placed. Let's say we will add revolve boss base, drag and place. See, it is placed. Even though you can customize, change the size or width of this shortcut toolbar. See, just drag. See, this will be appear in your user interface. If you want to change like sketch shortcut, drag cancel, drag cancel. Here you will find sketch. See, there are too many sketch tools. So let's say offset entity, drag and drop here. Trim entity, I will place at the end. See, this comes here. Okay, now, okay, one more thing we will see, and we will practice both together. Okay, let's see. Now, if you want to create anything, just press S key. See, this is feature enter shortcut bar appears. Now click on it, will ask you which plane you like to use. So I'll choose front plane, and again if you press shortcut key S, see, you will see sketch shortcut bar. Let's say circle. See, again if you press S, you will find the same shortcut bar dimension. Again if you press S, you can define anything else like a triangle and up to from here. If you exit from here, it will ask you which operations you want to do or something. You can do it according to this. See? Now the next customize tool, and the next thing is mouse gesture. This is very important tool. This is similar like shortcut tool. Now here you will see there are multiple number of gestures. This is for part, sketch, assembly and point. You can add multiple things, 8 gestures, up to 12 gestures you can add. 8 gestures is enough. It's your requirement. And anything you want to add it here, like make assembly. So you can drag this one and drop somewhere. Oh sorry, not for this one. If you want to save, see, you want to save somewhere. In sketch we are not going to save, but let's say this one. See, this is saved in here. Let me see some more things. Let's say sketch tool. Now there are many sketch tools come. 3D sketch. If you want to add somewhere 3D sketch, see, like here, see 3D sketch added here. So in the same way, you can just drag and drop this shortcut tools inside this. Let's say, okay, how to operate this one? Just press right key, right mouse button and little drag. See, if you little drag, you will see this is for part. See, if I'll go to sketch and again I'll drop, see, this is the sketch shortcut bar or sketch gesture or anything like rectangle, and I'll make something, that's it. So this is the simple thing how you can use your gesture tool to create any part or any geometry. Talk about display color. This is the display color. If you want to change this yellow color to default, or you want to make dark theme, go to option, display color. Now from here you will see icon color. So we kept classic, that's why we are going to see yellow. If you choose default, say okay. See, it's bluish color. Now here background color, medium, dark, say okay. See, this background color is dark. If you again go to color scheme, make light, this one make classic, okay. See, now if you click any portion, like see, this is, if I am going to create any sketch, you will see here, it's blue. You want to change this color, the same thing, just go to option, color, and here current color scheme, blue, you can keep orange, save. See, now it's become orange. If you want to select any face, it's become orange. But we will keep default blue. Okay. See, that's it. Now, the next thing we will see, okay, background color, you can simply change it from here, apply scene. There are too many colors. Any color you can apply from here. If you want to click manage favorites, see, there are too many things, just check the box, it will appear here. That's so simple. I always keep plain white, makes more visible our geometry. Now, one more very important thing, if you want to, how to use normal tool, if you want to click sketch, now see, this is stayed in a particular position. If you want to make normal, either you can click normal tool, or you can go to head up tool and choose normal. But there is one more option, exit, go to option, go to sketch, and here you will see auto rotate view normal to sketch plane on sketch creation and edit. Say okay. Okay. Now if I am going to click any sketch on this drawing, right click, sketch, see, it automatically took the normal shape. So this is the best practice for work friendly environment. Click sketch, see, it took automatically normal conditions. You don't need to open or click anywhere somewhere. So this is also one of the best technique to change user interface. Now let's see what other things we can do it. Okay, many people ask me how to place this shortcut tools here in command manager. So it's very simple. Go to right click on command manager, customize, and go to shortcut. I'll say view, standard view. Now you will find here standard view. Just drag. First, now most of the people asking for normal. Just drag it here. See, isometric view or any view you like to keep here. Just drag and drop in any window. See, I always put some more things in my windows so that it won't affect my work. If you don't want this, simply click, drag here. You will see a red color cross section button. Leave mouse. It will cancel. Yes. Drag outside, leave. It will cancel. No need to do anything more. So this is the simple things you can add, customize button in your any tab, in any part of the command manager. So these are the few things practice you can make your work environment user friendly and better for productivity. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe.